and then after it gets to the middle, I think the Skittles will be white because all the color in the Skittles move to the middle, and then that's how it gets all the color. Last and now is the moment of truth. Hi guys, welcome to Learning Fun with Sage and Sky. Today we're going to do an experiment of doing something so cool. At the end, it will happen. So we need Skittles, a plate, and cup. So now first, we're going to put the Skittles around the plate. You can do any order you like. So now let's put it. So guys, this is the part at the end. Almost done. 5 more left to do. Then we're done. And we still have 2 extra that are right over there. So now. Last and now is the moment of truth. You'll see the surprise, okay? The water, you'll see what happens. And now you're gonna wait for a few minutes. Look, you see the colors? Look at the colors. See the colors, guys? See the colors? It's coming to the middle. We're gonna wait. Yeah, and it's gonna be a rainbow, like a rainbow. And then after it gets to the middle, I think the Skittles will be white. Because all the color in the Skittles move to the middle. And then that's how it gets all the color. Moment of truth! Here it comes! And make sure you don't touch it, or else if you take the Skittles and move it, it will not work, okay? So remember to keep your hands away from it, okay? Guys, we're almost done. You see how nice and cool it is? Now it's almost at the center. Look, 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 look. When it gets to the center, we got it. So guys, remember, if you want more cool videos, like and subscribe to my channel.